Mandy is the only dog I have that is allowed on the bed. She's also the only dog that doesn't know she's a rescue. Hello, Mandy. Your ear is backwards. She has a beautiful tail. Show me your tail, Mandy. Come on. There you go. It's a bionic tail. It can knock holes in the walls. There you go. Alright, I'll let you be. Now watch this. Hello, Samson. Are we safe? Yes. You're guarding us? Yes. And now the two. Winnie, say hello. Oliver, you can have your spot, honey. Yes, I know. They're in the house, aren't they? Young kids. Come here, Winnie. Come here. Come on. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. That's how you get petted, isn't it? You're a good girl. Come on. Come here. Now sit. Good girl. Come on, let's walk over here. We're testing. Yeah. Oliver, she's fine. Samson, you in your spot? Are we safe? Okay. No, I wanted you to sit some more. We're almost done with that one. Alright, let me see some belly loving. Want belly loving? Yeah? Well, you sure? Okay. Winnie. Come here. Come. Good girl. You just want to run, don't you? Alright. Good girl. Alright. Good night, everybody. Oliver, are you asleep yet? I hear you, honey. Just putting on some weight. Stand up. Oh, yeah, right.